In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix games crashing on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, there's a few different things that you can do. Firstly, just go ahead online on like X or anything like that, check if the specific game you're playing is having any bugs or issues where it's happening to a lot of people. Because it's happening to a lot of people, then it might be something on the game side where they have to fix something. But another thing you can do, let's say Roblox needs an update, that might be why your game is crashing. So all you want to do is press your options button on your controller, then press check for update, and then if it needs an update, it's going to start updating. But right now, obviously, I'm on the latest version, so sometimes when you're not on the latest version, you might need an update, so your game might start crashing. So another method is going to your settings on the top right. Then from here, go to System, being the sixth option down. Go to System Software. Second option is System Software Update and Settings. Go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and update your system software to the latest one. The final thing I'd recommend doing is going over to Users and Accounts, scrolling all the way down to Other, and then go to Restore Licenses. Click on any of the games you're having issues with, and then on the bottom, press Restore, and then you should be good to go. But just give your PS5 a quick restart after doing all those steps, and then you should have your games working just as they should.